Market action remains on vacation. No surprise, there's nothing going on, and it feels like something big is coming. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S Daily Update for Friday, March the 25th, and some great games last night. Sorry I couldn't get the update out yesterday. We actually had almost all four winners last night. But in the meantime, look, the market sucked. There's not much going on. To me, this looks like a famous boxing match where you put a sap in the ring and you get the champ to hold them up for a few rounds. And to me, that's what this looks like. You get the markets, the pros are trying to hold this market up, let the amateurs get in before they crack it. And I believe that's where we're headed. But in the meantime, we are long. And our positions are long the Dow, it's up 128. Long the NASDAQ, it's down 27. Long the S&P, which is up 9. And long the Russell, which is down 38. So kind of a mixed market. But again, that's where we stand. The metals, and thank you haters. I love it when you send me those love letters about how I'm wrong on gold. And of course, we said that 1960 was the key level. If it didn't break out, then it would continue its downtrend. And well, it's back to 1950 again. Look, at the end of the day, we will be where we'll be, whatever the trend tells us. And we're still short gold. We're still short silver. And both did fail at resistance. And until that changes, I mean, again, so it'll go the other way. At some point, we'll catch the longer-term rally or the longer-term sell-off. When markets are choppy and consolidating, it's what it is. It makes it much tougher. That's why they're called consolidation. That is why they are known as the great time of greatest uncertainty. Gee, doesn't take a rocket scientist, does it? Haters? Anyways, bonds and notes are getting crushed. We're short both. Okay. And again, the interest rates are going higher as much as you might want to believe or listen to these idiots. They're going higher. Crude is getting hammered today. But, again, crude looks like it wants to go a lot higher. Most of this, everything ties back to the administration that is a bunch of idiots. Okay. We are loaded with imbeciles that have no clue, and that includes the Fed, on what a market is, how to work a market, and how to trade a market. Okay. All they know is how to spend money that they don't have and have to create more of it. So in the meantime, that's interest rates have got to go higher, and crude is probably going higher based on what's going on. And in the dollar is lower. Okay, and we are long, and we are still long crude as well. By the way, the Bitcoin is up about 900. We are still short. Copper is lower. We're short. Natural gas is over $5. There you go. Highest it's ever been at this time for 20 years, or since 2008. Excuse me. Okay, and we're still long. Okay. You take a look at the grain markets, and they've been very wild. But today, actually pretty calm, but higher across the board. Corn, beans, and wheat are all up about 4 cents or so. We're long corn and beans. We're short wheat. And in the cattle market or the protein complex, fats and feeders are both near unchanged. We're short fats. Short feeders, long fats. And hogs are higher, which we're long, which makes sense. Again, it's the next cheapest protein. And as we go to the softs, okay, cotton is higher and we're long. Coffee is flat and we're short. Sugar is higher, we're long. Cocoa is higher and we are short. And OJ is higher and we're still long. So, look, it's not real exciting. There's not a lot to do. I cannot, make something out of it. But I can give you my picks and remind you to look across the bottom to see our sponsors, which are Capital Trading Group, Trader Brokerage, who's going to have cryptocurrency soon. They're taking a waiting list right now. Strategic Wealth Preservation, and of course our high school program. But if you like the NCAA's tonight, we like Miami of Florida over Iowa State on the money line. Okay, we like Providence plus the 8 points and on the money line against Kansas. And until Sunday for Bobby's Bottom Line, have a great weekend, everybody. As always, I thank you. And for my new office, have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily. We'll see you later.